Isa-isa, konti-konti. Hindi niya naman kinain yan eh. Yo! Run! Hi guys, Ro ito and welcome ulit sa isang panibagong horror game. Ngayon lalaroin natin ang Freaking Hallway demo. So simulan na natin. Start. Ano ba yan, kuya? Oh! Okay. Ang lakas. Lakas. Ako ba yan? Okay. Ako ba yan?
You there? Good. Stay on the line. I'll guide you through this sector.
Okay.
Yeah, I hear you. Barely. This place dark as hell. You better not got me walking into ghost party, aight?
Listen. Once you step past that door, your phone signal won't hold. This is the last call you'll get until you reach level 7.
Okay.
Understood.
7 levels.
What? No signal? Man.
Shit.
So when
Paano mo
this
ko?
line cuts, I'm just out here solo?
Oo, paano?
Exactly. That's why you brought the flashlight. Turn it on now and conserve the battery. You'll need it. Do not rely on your phone.
Okay.
Aight. Lights on. Still creepy. You sure we ain't just
Shucks.
doing a prank?
This hallway is a containment lock. There's only one elevator. Take
Oh.
it. After you ascend, the real sector begins.
Okay.
In the main sector, you'll see 2 elevators at each checkpoint. One forward, one behind. Here's the rule. If you detect an anomaly on the floor, go back to the original elevator. If you don't find anomalies, take the forward elevator.
Okay.
So, it's like elevator choose Sudoku. Spot a freaky thing equals
Go
go
back.
back. No freaky thing equals go forward. Got it.
It's
Okay.
simple, but critical. Miss an anomaly, and the floor will reset unpredictably. It
Okay.
can consume the area.
Oh.
If anything hostile approaches you,
Whoa.
do not engage. Run back to the elevator immediately.
My God.
Do not stop to fight.
Run. Okay, cool. So, fight not. Run, yes. Real helpful. Also, you better be waiting at level 7 like you said. Steak or I'm complaining.
Survive to level 7. We'll
Okay.
talk about dinner. Now move. The elevator is open.
Shucks. So, kailangan makasurvive tayo.
Man
Okay.
on this couch. And Wi-Fi.
Interaction. Anak.
Why you just standing there like, you trying to
Okay.
help me just standing?
So, ano yun? Anomaly ba yun? Some objects in the environment can be interacted. Okay. Okay, let's do this, guys. Okay. Kapag may anomaly, babalik tayo dito. Oh, what's that? Ano yan? Shoota ka? Pag may anomaly, babalik? Yo. Are you an anomaly? You're not, okay. Yo, paraan! Paraan! Gago ka ba? Paano manipa? Saan ba ako? Saan ba ako dapat pumunta? Okay, doon ba? Shucks, what's this? Damn it. Padaanin mo ko, bro. Bro, get out. Paano manipa? Oh, paano mo? What's this? Ay, sorry. Okay. What's this?
Whoever
See it?
painted that needs therapy and a hug.
Okay. Papasok tayo. Okay na, game na. Okay, close door. If you find something weird, come back. Okay? Okay, totoo na to. Woo! Ha. This is exciting. Okay. Entering
This
at the...
place looking like it got bed bugs in the walls.
Okay, hello.
Bruh, why you just standing there like that? Say something.
Paano mang i? Q. Hello? Hello po. Okay, okay. May anomalya ba? What's that? Wait. Something wrong? E. Q. Ay, sorry. May ipis, oh. Okay. No. May ipis. Hello, sir.
Yo, my man, this the way out?
Are you an anomaly? Okay. I think
Something jump out. I'm throwing hands.
I think
Ghost or
we're
not.
goods. Close door. Okay. Okay. Okay, level 2, level 2. Oh my gosh. Feeling ko meron na
Yo,
dito.
hold up. Didn't I just walk through here?
Oh my gosh. So, kailangan...
Still standing there, creepy
Okay.
as hell.
Okay, wala. Oh,
Bro, that's somebody's uncle in there.
is that an anomaly? If it... Ano daw? If you see something...
It's ruder to ignore me.
If you
than
see
to-
something... So, anomaly ba yun? Anomaly ba yun, guys?
Alright, I'ma just keep my eyes on you,
Hindi ko alam
real close.
kung anomaly yun. Gosh, anomaly ba yun? Shucks.
How you look like a damn
Sige.
NPC?
Pa-try natin. Sana tama. Tama? Whoa, we have one anomaly, everyone. Congrats to us, and we are on the level 2.
Man, you look like you lost your last
Okay.
brain cell.
Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay. Wala bang nangahabol dyan? Pag may nangahabol, balik tayo agad. Okay. 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 Baka habulin tayo nito. Hello?
Don't
Huh?
damn
Huh!
that thing loud as
The
my
fuck?
cousin on Thanksgiving. I'm starting to think
Shut.
you are the final boss of this.
Ano yun? Shit ka. Warning, warning. Okay. Okay, nice one. We're approaching 50%. Malapit na tayo mag 50%, no? So, pagka nag-level 4 to, pag nag-succeed tayo dito, 50% na tayo. Okay, okay. Slowly. Let's go.
Yo, what the hell going on, bro? You a clone or something?
Wow, lakas naman natin sa Mipa. Hello? Ayun o. May nangyayari doon. May nangyayari doon. Ay, nako. May nangyayari talaga doon. Hello? Hello? So,
Every step I take, just making my life.
hello? Hello? Tao? So, wala na? Wala na ba? Oh my gosh, kinikilabutan ako. Ah, okay. Nahaharangan pala tayo nito. Lipat ka doon, lipat. Sa gilid. Okay, wala na bang anomalya? Wala na ba? Wala na siguro, no? Oh my gosh. Slowly but surely. Wala na? Wala na? Pag ako inabol nito.
This place got bad juju, man.
Yo. Yo, be ready to run, okay?
Stop looking at me like I just ate your lunch.
May tao ba dyan? Okay, good, 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 good! Close it! Look at this. Oh my gosh. Tama ba? Nice. If you find something weird, come back. Okay, okay. I pee. Oh my gosh.
Let's see. Maybe I actually beat this thing?
Shucks. This is level 4? Okay, if I see something weird, come back. This is weird. Kasi oh. Gosh. Okay, hello?
Even hell got better interior design than this.
Ba't ganon? Ayoko na, this is weird guys. Ah, so pag nagkamali, siguro ito weird to eh. Close na natin yan. Kasi hindi naman elevator yung nasa dulo eh. Tama ba? Tama ba? We're actually good at this. Okay? So, weird siya kasi... Okay, slowly ba tayo? Slowly, boss.
Why are you so quiet? You trying to get me killed?
Baka kasi sapakin tayo nito eh. Unahan na natin siya. Unahan na natin siya, guys. Baka kasi banatan tayo niyan eh. What's weird? Yo. Tabi ka, tabi ka. Baka kasi pag tumakbo ako madapa. Hello? Are you going to... Balik tayo dito.
Where is my
Fuck!
fucking elevator?
Run, 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 run! Run,
Man,
run,
stop
run,
looking
run.
at me like I owe you
Run, 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 run. Dang, we're gonna die.
Okay, okay.
We're gonna die.
You not crazy?
Shit. Floor 0. Correct 5. Wrong 1. Tendency towards violence. No. Okay, let's do it. Hello? Okay. Wala. Wala ba? Wala ba? Hello?
Damn. You got some strong eye contact game.
Patay. I died! What killed me?
This place looking like it got bed bugs in the wall.
Ano yung pumatay sa akin? Ano yung pumatay sa akin?
Hey, you trying to help or just stand there?
Feeling ko na nananakit din yung mga yun eh. Kasi why would you put an NPC there? Okay, sorry na po. So dapat hindi kita inaway? Ulitin nga natin.
Nah, I don't do creepy silent people. Not
Let's
today.
go, okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go. If you find something weird, come back.
I'm starting to think you are the final boss of this hallway.
Hmm.
Man,
Hello?
I miss my couch and Wi-Fi.
Okay, this is level 1.
Man,
So-
you got resting murder face.
Let's go. Close it. Tama ba? Nice, tama. Whew. Okay, this is level 2. Level 2. Okay. Okay, okay.
Why are you so quiet? You trying to get me killed?
This is level 2, okay. Nakatakot naman yung sound. Level 2. Yo!
This whole place smelled like moldy fear.
Don't kill me. Okay, let's go.
You look like you need Jesus.
What?
Maybe both.
Fuck! Run! Run! Takbo! 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 Oh, close the door! Close the door! Ang saya! Ang saya ng game na to. Buti na lang talaga nakatakas
This place
tayo.
got bad juju, man.
What?
Man, you look like you lost your last brain cell.
Oh my gosh. So this is random. Randomize siya talaga. So, okay. Tabi-tabi para pag tumakbo ako. Run, run,
No,
run.
we knocked on the carnival ride.
Run,
Stop
run,
this.
run, run, run. Run, run. Dang it. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Run, run, run. Oh my gosh, run. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Close the door, close the door. My gosh.
Okay, breathe. Not crazy.
Ah, my gosh. May ganun pala.
Yo,
Yo, yo, yo, yo.
Switchback.
Yo, 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 yo.
I'm too dark for this darkness.
Run, run. Power off. Dali. Close door. Yo, paano to i-close? Yo, man.
How you look like a damn NPC?
Makapatayin tayo nito.
It's ruder.
Shoot, ah.
More mean.
Baka kailangan natin siya lapitan para ma-trigger yung game. Kasi at this point, ayaw eh.
Alright, I'ma just keep my eyes
Oh, run, run, run.
real close.
Yun oh, nagising siya. Ayaw, hayop. Hello? Tao ka ba? O tao ka lang din? Ayaw! Hello? Habulin tayo nito. May dala siya oh. Hello?
If something jump out, I'm throwing hands. Ghost or not.
Come on! Ay, ito! Ay, hindi. Ano to? Hello? Oh. Ano ba yan? Hawak mo. Wala ka namang hawak eh. May hawak siya. Puso, laman loob. Madaya. There's no way na lalapit ako dyan. No. Baka pwede ako makipaglaban. Wala tayo guys eh. 3 seconds na lalabanan natin. Isa-isa, konti-konti. Hindi niya naman kinain yan eh. Yo! Run, 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 run. There's no need to fight daw eh. Nawala? Nawala siya?
This flashlight weaker than my will to live right now.
Patay na siya. No, come on. Let's go. Let's go, come on. Tara na. So, kailangan natin ng something? Power off. Pwede ka bang tumabi para pag tumakbo ko? Tayo na, baka tumayo to. Tao lang yata ito eh. Hello. This is scaring the heck of me. Okay. Okay. Hello.
Damn.
Oh
You
my
got some
gosh.
strong eye contact game.
Pag ito, namatay ako, ayoko na. Pag namatay ako, madaya yung game, ayoko na. Hello. Pagod na ako. Anong kailangan gawin? Ito. Yun, nice. Yun lang pala yun. Ang tagal kong palakad-lakad sa labas. So, this is the 5th floor. 3 na lang, guys.
Yo, what the hell going on, bro? You a clone or something?
So, pag pumunta tayo dito at may anomalya, goods. Pero paano kung walang anomalya? Patay tayo. Okay, dahan-dahan tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.
Yo, can I get a checkpoint or something? I'm tired.
Hello? Wala? Okay, baka banatan tayo nito. Sir, may anomalya ba? Sir, may anomalya po ba? Sir?
Stop looking at me like I just ate your lunch.
Wala? Diretso? Come back when there's... Hello? Hello? Baka may mumu dito sa loob. Okay, goods? Are we good? Let's go! Alam mo ba yung nakakatakot dito? Yung sarili mo. If you find something weird, come back. Yo, may weird ba dyan? Feeling ko matatapos natin tong game. Okay. We just need to take many deep breaths. Wow. So, pag may weird, babalik tayo. Okay? That's the key, no? So far, binabanatan natin
Still
to.
standing there, creepy as hell.
And then, para nangyayari. Okay, ano yun? Kumikindat-kindat dun. That's weird, di ba? Yo, I think this game is for, para siya sa mga pasensyosong tao. Kasi pag nagdire-diretso ko dyan, you can go wrong. Pwede kang magkamali. Pwede ka talaga magkamali, boy. Ito na ikakamatay natin kasi nasa gitna siya.
Man, I miss my couch. And
Kailangan kasi may tabi natin siya para pag tumakbo tayo doon. Para pag tumakbo tayo, hindi tayo, alam mo yun, walang haharang sa atin. Kasi nararamdaman ko na may anomalya dito. May usok oh. May usok! Oh, that's not good. That's not good. This is the next game Shucks. Okay. Let's go. Pag may weird, balik tayo. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Malapit na tayo sa pang-7. Talaga bang wala ba?
this whole place smelled like moldy fear.
Hello? Oh my gosh. Goods ba? Is this safe? Okay. Pinaikot ko ulit. Oh, baka may mangyari. Hindi naman siguro video music, no? Nasa 3/4 na tayo, guys. Hello? Baka banatan tayo nito. Tai chi tayo nitong isang to. Hello? 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 Slowly but surely. Okay.
Even hell got better interior
Talaga bang
design
walang
than this.
ano? Talaga bang walang wala ba talaga? Pag tumakbo ako dun, baka may anomalya kasi. Mamamali ako. Hello, sir. Dadaan lang po ako, sir. Oh, tinitignan tayo. May weird ba, guys? Feeling ko wala. Ganito ba talaga yan kanina? Feeling ko mamamali ako Feeling ko talaga may anomalya. Silipin natin. Hop. Sir, dadaan lang po ako. Feeling ko may anomalya. Fuck you! Sino yun? Bad trip, man! Sino yun? Feeling ko may anomalya. Fuck you! Oh, let's go.
Hey, you trying to help or just
Let's see.
stand there?
So, pwede ka pa rin talagang mamatay. Okay. May anomalya ba? Feeling ko wala naman. Yes, sir. Sir, are you
My man, this the way out?
gonna kill me? Are you gonna kill me? No, bakit mo ko tinitignan? Why are you looking at me? Dito na ako kanina Dinigbak ako ng gagong sino man yun na pumatay sa akin. So, we're doing this again. This is the...
Nah. No way. Didn't
Okay.
I just come through here?
Hello?
If
Sige, wag
something
natin.
jump out, I'm throwing hands.
Wag natin munang...
I'm starting to think you are the final boss of this hallway.
Ano kaya yun? Siguro banatan natin to.
Yo, how you look like a damn NPC?
Siya siguro yun. Wait lang. Tabi po. Tabi ka. Para pag... Oh, sino yan? Tabi ka. Ay, sorry. Sorry, mamen. Yan, tabi ka. Tara. Okay. So... Madaya! I can get killed anytime. Okay, pinatay ko yung music. I can get killed anytime, my man.
You
Ah.
look like you need Jesus. Or
Okay. Level 2. If you find something weird, come back. Okay.
why you so
Kailangan ko talagang banatan to.
killed?
Talaga, baka kasi mabuhay siya Yo, what will happen? Dapat ba wag siya tignan? Hello? Hello? Baka, banatan ako. Patayin talaga niya ako. Tingnan niyo, patayin niya ako, guys.
Damn. You got some strong eye contact.
Dapat siguro wag nating i-ano, wag nating i-eye contact yun. Feel ko lang. Kasi parang baka siya yun eh.
Please don't be
Mali! Well, I hope nagustuhan nyo tong game na to. Please leave a like kung nagustuhan nyo, guys. Please make sure to subscribe kung gusto nyo pa ng more horror games from me. At yan lang muna sa araw ngayon. At kita-kita tayo ulit sa susunod na video.